Hi, this is Dr. Singh with HEALOR and 7 Heart Medical Spa. Today we are doing a hormone replacement therapy using pellets. Pellets are a great way of replacing hormone in a more natural way. So we'll be inserting testosterone and estradiol pellets today. So our client here has low levels of estrogen and of course testosterone, which can cause symptoms like bone loss, decreased sex drive, issues with lubrication. So we're hoping that with this hormone replacement we should be able to correct those symptoms. Today we're inserting just 3 pellets today. We'll be rechecking blood work in about a month and then reinsert the number of pellets in the future if we need to adjust any dosing. It's a simple outpatient procedure, about 15 to 20 minutes. Once these pellets are inserted, it should take about 7 days for the body to start breaking them, and slowly they will dissolve over time. So let's go ahead and get started.